Ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth while others struggle financially? Could your mindset be the key to unlocking financial success? Let's delve into the concept of wealth psychology. It's a fascinating realm where the landscape of our minds influences our financial reality. Imagine two individuals. One views the world as a land of limited resources, constantly worrying about the next paycheck. That's the scarcity mindset. The other, however, sees a world of endless opportunities, believing that there's always enough to go around. This is the abundance mindset. The person with the scarcity mindset may find themselves in a perpetual cycle of financial struggle, while the one with the abundance mindset is likely to experience financial growth and stability. The difference? It all boils down to their respective mindsets. Understanding your money mindset is the first step towards financial success. But how can you shift from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset? Positive thinking sounds cliché, right? Yet it's a powerful tool in wealth psychology. You see, positive thinking isn't just about maintaining a sunny disposition. It's about shifting your mental framework to one that encourages growth, resilience, and opportunity. Imagine your mind as a garden. Positive thoughts are the seeds that can bloom into a lush, vibrant landscape. These seeds influence our financial decisions, guiding us towards opportunities we may have otherwise overlooked. They push us to take calculated risks, to invest in our futures, to see failures as lessons rather than dead ends. On the other hand, negative thoughts are like weeds. They can choke our ambitions, cloud our judgments, and stunt our financial growth. Positive thinking alone won't make you rich overnight, but it can set the stage for financial success. The question now is, how do you cultivate a positive mindset? Cultivating a wealthy mindset isn't about wishing for money. It's about changing your thoughts and actions. It's about setting clear financial goals, not just dreaming of riches. Knowing exactly what you want is the first step in making it a reality. It's about investing in self-education because knowledge, after all, is power. It's about understanding finances, learning about investments, and constantly striving to improve. And perhaps most importantly, it's about embracing failure as a learning experience. No journey is without its bumps, and each setback is an opportunity to grow. Each failure brings you one step closer to success. So don't be afraid to take risks, to try, to fail, and to try again. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about freedom, peace of mind, and living a fulfilled life. Start cultivating your wealthy mindset today and watch how your financial situation changes.